Hello everyone, my lovelies. My name is Olivia as always, and you are on my channel about trading. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe. Do not forget and do not miss new interesting videos. So today I decided to share with you a cool inspiring video. This is it. 3 days challenge for beginners and trading. Oh my god, in this video you will see how I trade for 3 days as a beginner without using complex strategies and indicators. I will use only what every newbie can easily introduce into every trading practice. At the end of the video, we will find out how much a beginner can earn in trading in just a couple of days. Does it sound interesting? Yes, I hope you will like this video. So let's go. So my friends, for you, if you're a novice trader, this is the first day and I'm using this list of currency pairs, and let's go to find some interesting combo like this simple one. So I will be using here the Kelly channel, of course, because it's working in all types of market. And then let's work with the RCI. Okay, because it's been working pretty easily. In this very moment I see that all the quotes are here. I'm having 168 in my wallet, so nothing here needs to be absorbed, and I'm going to my investment, clicking here $90, and that's all that I have. I'm clicking here the greens. Come on. I'm so happy. Everything here is working pretty good, amazing. We are having the quads that are inside the Kelly channel. So here we are working and having almost $250, you see, right? And I'm feeling myself pretty nice. So as far as you see, the station is keeping on going in the lowest part of the Kelton channel. So let's go further. Everything here is pretty easy. So this is the United States dollar against the Japanese yen, right? We are having the inverted ball right here, and so the quads are going back, and I see that this is kind of mirrored situation. So if we draw this imaginative line here, we will be having the comeback of the quotations. They are looking like similar with this very downtrend. So I hope that I'm pretty right, and I'm going to my investment, clicking here $240, and let's work with the greens. Let's go, come on. So as far as you see, we're really right, and the situation is showing us the growing up of the quads. We went on pretty comfortable, and now I think we have to leave this. Let's go further and work with the United States dollar against the Mexican peso. So this is the captivating kind of graphic, and I see that the quads are going also downstairs with the small nuances. We are having the row of the bottoms here, so I see something similar and to the head and shoulders pattern, and but it wasn't so long ago, and it is not convenient for us right now. And okay, what else? Hey there, knock knock. Do you want to receive profitable trading signals in real time? Already more than 16,000 people trade with my trading signals, making money and improving their trading strategies. And all thanks to my Telegram community, friends. That's where you can be in touch with me every day. There I publish the latest insights from the world of trading, share tips, my thoughts, and of course my trading signals with 99% accuracy. Don't miss this. Follow the link in the video description or scan this QR code. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. I will be glad to see you there. I see that RCI is going a little bit higher, and let's use it. What do you say? I'm going to my investment, clicking here $440, and it would be pretty nice consider this very turning on back on the quads. So let's see everything again, and yes, I'm going with the reds. Come on, friends. Awesome, awesome. I'm moving downstairs. I'm feeling pretty right, and you see all those dodges. Were something like triggers, but there is another resumption of the downtrend, and it was some kind of triggers, as I told you, but that's fine. That means nothing. Like, let's go to the next consideration. Euro against the United States dollar, and as far as you see, I advise you always working with the high percentage of payout. This is, seen here. If you see this kind of percentage, this should be much more than 80%. Okay, so in these cases, all that you have is clicking on the investment. Friends, for example, now I'm having $800 of dollars. I'm tapping here 800 in my investment, and now this means if I'm working with this currency ratio, I will get more of an income, more than a half of this investment. So in this case, my payout, and if I'm working along with the trend, if I'm working good in this deal, I will be having more than $1,000. Wow, so cool. So in this very moment, I should consider my whole thoughts about the tendencies. Okay, I see that there are some wicks here with this very big red engulfing candle, and then it was after the short period of correction. There are the interesting row of the candles. Okay, so this is the short downstairs movement, and now there is one. Okay, inverted ball is happening here, so everything here is happening inside the Kelvin channel. While that is happening, I'm going to work with the reds. Okay, so come on. Perfect decision. As far as you see, the situation with the candlesticks were shaken a little, right? But we went on pretty well. Whew, I knew it was going to happen, because as far as you see, the lines were going a little bit narrowed. And let's go further to work with the United States against the Filipino peso. So we are considering those quotations. What I'm moving a little bit downstairs. Okay, what can I say? They are moving pretty well downstairs. So as far as you see, we are here along with the RCI. It is showing us the zone of the oversold area. It is here, so maybe it is going to be a short comeback of the stories. Okay, all right, because now I see that it's the four bottoms that are showing us the short period of correction, and then a great growth up of the quotes, like, and then after a period of consolidation here, we are having the growing down, an interesting and pretty movable growing down. Okay, I'm going to work with my investment. Nothing here needs to be absorbed more, so I will be working with 1,000 and having all those candlesticks with the short body. I will work with this one. Let's click with me. Let's go the greens. Come on. So perfect it was. As far as you see, the graph has changed in a while. This system is a little bit different, is loaded very, how to say, quickly, and now we are having more than $2,000. That's amazing. So what the first day, as far so this is the first day, and it is pretty easy to work, and I like it. As far as you see, it's very easy, and it's not complicated to work with the having only 5 minutes. So I want to see you in our second day, and bye bye. That's it. So this is our second day, and I will be working with this list of currency ratios. Yes, I just using the remarkable ones with the percentage more than 80% here, and I hope that everything here will be working really great. So today we are having the slow speed of volatility, so not so volatile kind of market, so I've decided to work with the Bollinger's. They are going pretty good, and the MACD, hope that they are going to show us, I mean the lines are going to show us the perfect deal. So friends, anyway, I see that 1 minute is not enough for me. Let's click here, for example 3 minutes, and I will be feeling pretty comfortable here. Like, let's go and let's work here with $1,500, and I'm going to work, let me see another kind of this last part of the graph in this station. So I'm going to work here with the red. Come on, let's go. That's perfect. It was time to time, as you see, right? I'm so happy, friends. And yeah, we see there is a little breakthrough down, after which we will be having the continuations of trend, and I'm so happy that it was time to time perfect situation. Yes, I knew that is going to happen, and in this very moment we were having the low volatility too. Sometimes time as it is here is playing a great role. So 3000 here, it is perfect decision, perfect fresh start for a second day. And friends, so guys, let's move on to the next currency. United States dollar against the Philippine peso, and this is the nice development of the quotes. So by the way, do you see this very falling knife? Yes, I see that there is a comeback of the quotations, but then I need to be sometime before it is going to happen. So short candlesticks are not the great situation here. So not a great decision, by the way. What else can I say? Let's go to the next currency now. United States dollars against Japanese yen. In this very moment, I see that the quotes are going back. This is the MACD with the small signals, but they are working for the pretty great. I'm going to see here the growing up of the quotations. Let's go with the 2000 maybe. It will be pretty enough for me. So in this very moment, the situation is going to work with the short candlestick. So watch me out having the reds. Come on, let's go. That's an awesome kind of story to we have in here. So along with the MACD, the situation with the green, so with the green line, which is much higher, by the way. The red bars here along with the MACD showing also as the tendencies of the straight of the reds. And else, what can I say? Along with the Bollingers, okay, the outer lines of the Bollingers are going to be a little bit narrower than narrowing, you know, so they're going to be closer with each other. So it was the right decision. Okay, I'm feeling myself pretty comfortable. This is the second kind of day, and what should I say? Let's go to another kind of story, working with the United States dollar against the Turkish lira. And I think that the first day was pretty much easy, friends. So this is also not bad, it's working pretty good. I will be working here with the growing down of the quads. And what can I say here? I see that there is an intersection along with the MACD. So let's go and work here with 3000, because it is then the most available sum of the dollars from all that I have. And in this case, I will be working with $3,000, and you watch me out having the reds. Come on. That's great. That's very awesome to see. As far as you see, we are having here $8,000. Oh my god, it's the second day. I'm so happy. By the way, what should I say? Let's go to another currency and let's find something pretty interesting here. As far as you see, well, we will be working here with the short candlesticks. So we are having here the overbought area, which is not so long ago have started. So I'll be working here with a small investment and we'll work here with the 500 only 500, because I'm feeling a little bit shoddy. I think that it is not that easy while I'm having the overbought area here. Maybe it is going to go that way, so it's going to be a reversing kind of story, and I'm trying here the greens. Come on, let's see. So that's perfect. As far as you see, it was a little bit risky, friends, but that was also a great kind of story. If you have 5 minutes a day, please, you're welcome. You are also welcome. So guys, see you at my next day, my next trading day, third day. So that's all. That was the end. Bye bye. So hello my lovelies, this is the third day of our strategy. I'm going to work with this list of currency ratios. I'm using the list marked OTC, and now I'm going to discuss with you this very chart. I'm going to work with moving average, and this is how it is working. I'm going with the period of 15 candlesticks and using the simple moving average like so. You may color it when you may color then the way you want, and I'm using the green, yes, a little bit bolder than the previous set. So anyway, I hope that the market is going to show us the cases, because it compares the minimum and the maximum prices, and I'm going to use the 14 last candlesticks compilations. Friends, let's find some interesting purposes, and I see that this is the row of the wicks here, you see? Please have a look on this area around the candlesticks. So perfect case for us to have a great experience, believe me, but I'm going to use here only $200 because the market, as far as you see, is not pretty volatile, and we are here on our morning hours. That's why please watch me out clicking here the greens. Come on. Great, amazing fresh start. So you see, we are here, and as far as you see, the situation was a little bit risky for morning hours, but the system is showing us the growth up, and let's go further and let's work with the first currency ratio, New Zealand dollar against the Switzerland franc. What do you say? As far as you see, the market went up pretty good the last time, and it shows the previous period equivalent price. And guys, what does it do? It mentioned the demand of underlying assets. So in this very story, we will be trying to work with the oversold area. Here is where you see that the market is touching for a long time the lowest low, its corridor. So what am I doing here? I see that the quotation after this double top is going with the continuing double bottom here, and this is the perfect decision for us to go on with downtrend, with the short candlesticks. And what else, you will ask me? Let's go, for example, to the investment with the $300, because as far as you see, we are working with the morning hours. I won't consider you working with the great sums. Friends, let's go with the red. Come on. again, a great decision. Again, fine decision after this row of green candlesticks. I should say it is a 3 white soldiers. This is amazing. After that, we have entered up with the engulfing bearish candlestick, so it works pretty good. Let's go further, my friends. Let's work with the second consideration. What else is going to be here? Okay, I will zoom out and I want to see the whole kind of view. So yes, I see that the quotes are here in front of my eyes, being a little bit higher than the quotes of some hours ago, and I see there is a pretty wavy kind of story of the quotes. Like, so I need to convey that this is a little bit of resemblance of the markable situation. So this is the pattern called head and shoulders. I'm sure you know it. So after that, I will need a mirror for the previous station. So this is the interesting case, believe me. Also, along with the market, I see the situation to rely on it. Like, also I need to depict this very kind of bottom so well, my friends. I think I shall use here $500 because I'm having this great variety of quotes, of moving quotes. Okay, I will be using here, minding this the market, all the signs, and watch me out, clicking the greens. Come on. So it is so perfect, amazing. We went on pretty well, and this is the system. The system is showing us the mirrored situation of a trend. And so if you know what I mean, this is what I was talking to you about. Yes, this system is keep on showing us the mirrored view of this chart, because after we are having this pattern, the situation is keeping on going the same. So let's go to another currency ratio, and then we will call it a day. So the United States dollar against the Turkish lira. Okay, what is it happening here? Pretty wavy kind of story, right? But also I should say with the small nuances, and the bottoms are here being so greatly provided, and there are only 3 tops here. So what I should say, the great quantity is here for the lowest part of the moving average, and I will be trying to work here. But anyway, the marker is here in the middle of its corridor. So in this case, I won't allow you to do any kind of deals. But as for me, friends, I see that the bullish engulfing has happened here, but after that, great bearish engulfing is happening here. So watch me out, friends. Yes, and I'm using 1000 here, and well, what else? Let's go here with the greens. Come on. So it was so perfect, friends. You see, we had time, and that was my 3rd day. So if you have your free 5 minutes a day, please go to demo version and have this great experience. It was a very cool challenge. Lately I've been enjoying participating in trading challenges more and filming them for you on my channel. So if you want me to try some new challenge, then write me about it in the comments, and maybe your idea will be the inspiration for my new video on the channel. So this challenge proved that even a beginner can earn a good amount of money from trading without using complex strategies and indicators in its practice. In just a couple of days, I understand that I have much more experience in trading than others, perhaps, and my trader's intuition is more developed, but I am sure that everyone can get a good result. Well, if you are not sure on your skills yet, then just join my trading session in my free Telegram channel and repeat my trades after me. All my trading signals have 99% accuracy, so you will be definitely able to earn with them. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Write me in the comments what you think about today's challenge, and I want to see you very soon. Bye bye.